Welcome back to Shanzan Zen Jamaican Vibes. Inspiring Jamaicans, motivating Jamaicans, showcasing Jamaican talents, and giving back to my Jamaican people. Today we're here with a long and awaited update and the mother of nine, Nancy Black House Project. It's been such a long and tedious journey, a lot of setbacks, a lot of mistakes that had to be corrected, a lot of changes that had to be made as well. And I want to say thank you and big up to the mason who is now working on the house. Big up Mr. Denzel, you're doing an excellent job, and I really appreciate the work that you have done thus far. You had to do a lot of corrections, and we do appreciate that. All right, so guys, the reason why you haven't been seeing any updates with the mother of nine house building is because there have been a lot of setbacks with the weather, setbacks with corrections that had to be made on the house building. We set up the decking and everything. We set up the jack and we put up the plyboards and everything was set up there. And then a very heavy rain came, and then we realized that the jack started to sink in the ground and they started shifting and so forth. So we had to take back down all the jacks, and then we had to buy some more dump mall, and we had to rent a compacting machine. We had to compact the ground, and so that took up that took up some time because we had to wait until the floor set and was ready again. Then we put back up the jack and started out again. But thanks be to God, the house has finally been decked, and we want to say thanks a million to everybody who have donated to the mother of nine living in rural Jamaica. And thanks be to the Most High, her house is on its way. All right, so want to big up the electrician Wayne as well for offering his service. So he has done all the piping work, all of the electrical piping work for the decking for free. But as it pertains to the other work that has to be done, he will have to get paid because he will have to hire somebody to work the jackhammer because he has a condition where he cannot use the jackhammer. All right, so now I want to do my vote of thanks and tell everybody who have donated via GoFundMe, via Western Union, via MoneyGram, Ria. Thank you guys very much. We really appreciate all of the love and the outpour of support from the diaspora and from Jamaicans and Jamaicans living all over the world. But now I want to say thank you to the donors. Thank you so much to Miranda Jackson for her donation of $200 US. Thank you to Monica in Canada for her donation of 20,000 Jamaican dollars. Thank you to Doreen Hill. She donated $500 US dollars. Thank you to an anonymous donor from Florida. She donated $900 US dollars. Thank you so much to Rekenda in the UK. She donated 158 pounds. Thank you so much to Dell in Brampton, Canada for her donation of 100 Canadian dollars. Thank you so much to Jacqueline Welch in Canada. She donated 120 Canadian dollars. Thank you so much to Melinda Jackson. She donated 150 US dollars. Thank you to Aziki in Canada. She donated 140 Canadian dollars. Thank you so much to Sylvia Hibbert. She donated 50 US dollars. Thank you to Lois. They donated 10,000 Jamaican dollars. Thank you so much to Delia Blake in Florida. She donated 300 US dollars. Thank you so much to Colleen McKenzie in Texas. She donated 100 US dollars. Thank you so much to Marva Brown in Florida. She donated $50. Thank you to Pauline Anderson. She donated $50. Thank you to Mary Holness. She donated $150. Thank you to Sandre Elliott. He donated $200. Thank you to Marcia. She donated $100. Thank you so much to Loris Anderson. She donated $100. Thank you to Double D. She donated $100. Thank you so much to JR. They donated $40. Thank you so much to Miss Ivy for her donation of $140. In total, we received 420,000 Jamaican dollars, and this is how we spent your donations. We bought 100 bags of cement for $149,000, 17 length of 1B316 for $25,000, nails for the decking for $4,000. We bought a load of dump malt for the bottom for $25,000. We bought 10 yards of fine malt for $35,000. We paid $4,500 for the jacks. We rented a compactor for $8,600. We bought 15 yards of grit for $42,000. 15 yards of river sand or wash sand for $43,000. We buy electrical pipes, conduits, etc. for $4,000. We paid $4,000 to pick up the jack and deliver them, and we paid $8,000 to fill up the house bottom. We spent $16,000 on food for Nancy. We paid the builder $100,000 to do corrections, to do the lintels, and to set up the decking. We gave Nancy $5,000 to handle some business. $45,000 was spent on the decking day to pay all of the workers and so on. And we want to say a big thank you to a Jamaican who is living in Kuwait who donated $11,000 to purchase the food for the decking day. So if you look in the frame, you'll see a young man in a red shorts and a blue shirt. Right behind him is the kitchen. Yes, we have finally set up the kitchen. We did the foundation, you saw that in the previous video, and now we run up the block and everything, and the kitchen is also ready to be decked. But the kitchen has been done by two sisters. I want to say a big thank you to them. We received $400 from them, and we bought some steels, we bought blocks, and we paid for the rental of some boards to cast the columns, and we are owing the workmen some money, but that will be paid for in short order. And we want to say thank you to everyone who has donated. Thank you to all of the viewers, all the supporters. One love, one heart, big up every time. Thank you guys for supporting and watching Shanzen Zen Jamaican Vibes. Thank you for sharing out my videos. Guys, I want 100,000 shares, 100,000 social shares. So share this video on your Facebook, on your Instagram, tweet it out there. Make this video a trending video, alright? So we can get more help and more support to complete this project. Alright guys, so this is Wayne the electrician. He is from a nearby community to where Nancy is living, about 5 miles away. And one day I was passing by and I was checking for a delivery guy who would deliver on time. And I saw him and I stopped, and he told me that he was an electrician, and then I shared the story of Nancy and what we were doing with him. And he offered to do a voluntary service by doing the piping of the decking for free. But the other electrical works that needs to be done in the bottom, he will have to employ other guys with him, other men with him, so that will have to be paid for. But in terms of the decking, he will do that for free. He has done it for free, so we want to say thank you, and you know, we love that you came on board and did this for the family.
And just been kind enough to offer me help. But she told me the situation of Miss Nancy. I can do the pipe, the conduit on the top for free.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Thanks, man.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, the GoFundMe is still ongoing. We have exhausted the GoFundMe, but we now also have Cash App, so you can donate via Cash App as well. The link will be in the description of the video and pinned in the comment section as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for making it Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good.